Excuse me, sir.
Just come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Take your seat. Give your seat, please. Tell me about you something.
I'm Tiluksan Rajkumar. I have a second class degree in the IT field and I have a 6-month experience in the Yo-Yo company.
Oh, I see. What do you think about current government?
I think this government system is good and it is useful for our country also. And this government economic policy also very good for our company, and tech system also very nice to maintain our company.
Excellent answer. I think
Thank
you
you,
are
sir.
very capable for our job.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please take your seat. Tell me about you something.
I am Amandi Lochana. I have first class degree in IT and 3 years of work experience.
What do you think about current government?
I think it's not much good because always the decisions of the government affects the poor vulnerable people, and I think the economic system of the government is also not much good.
Okay, I don't agree with your opinion, and you are the good. Well, our job requires to also night shift also. So I don't think you are capable for our job.
But I can do my best for the company. I do night shifts and everything.
Sorry, my decision is final.
குட் மார்னிங் மேம்.
Good morning, miss.
மேம் நேற்று வரக்குள்ள பஸ்ல வச்சு அந்த ஐடி கொஞ்சம் தொலைஞ்சு போயிட்டு அதை நான் திருப்பி எடுக்கணும். ஏதாவது அப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு ப்ரோசஸ் ஏதாவது சொல்றீங்களா ப்ளீஸ்?
පොඩක් සිංහලෙන් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද මිස්?
ஐயோ எனக்கு சிங்களம் தெரியாது, தமிழால கொஞ்சம் சொல்றீங்களா?
මිස් පොඩක් සිංහල එක්කෙනෙක් පොඩක් එක්කෙනවද නැත්නම් පොඩක් සිංහල කතා කරන්න පුරුදු වෙන්නකෝ. නැත්නම් සිංහල එක්කෙනෙක් බලලා පොඩක් එක්කෙන්නකෝ, මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ පොඩ්ඩක්.
மேம் வேற யாரும் தமிழால பேசுறவங்க இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
අයියෝ වැඩ ගොඩයි පොඩක් සිංහල එක්කෙනෙක් බලලා එක්කෙන්නකෝ.
சரி மேம் பார்க்கலாம்.
Hi Tikshana, our Sri Lankan Constitution, Article 14(1)(f) that shows the right to use and promote our language and culture rights. What do you think about it?
Oh, that is big problem in Sri Lanka. Lot of people speak different languages.
Exactly, the constitution gives that rights, but in real life, the Tamil speakers don't get their services, their own language, especially in some government office.
Yes, I've seen that. Sometimes even officials' forms are only single, not be fair.
That's where Article 22 comes in Constitution that shows the government should provide their services in both Sinhala and Tamil language, but this is not follow everywhere. That was in our video too.
That's big issue that is big issue because language is big part of the person's identity.
True. So, Article 15 allows the government to limit the right for things like national security, but sometimes they use that to stop peaceful cultural events.
It doesn't sound right, Diruni.
I agree. So, we need more bilingual officers and services in both Sinhala and Tamil language and clear rule when limiting any rights.
Yes, I think that would help all communities feel respect and included.
Yes, comparing other country, in Canada, they treat English and French as equally. So, Sri Lanka can do with same the Sinhala and Tamil language.
I totally agree. If we respect all communities, all language, we will have peace and unity in the country.
Hi Shihara, I think you have big knowledge about freedom of religion in Sri Lanka. So what does the Sri Lankan constitution say about religion?
Yes, Tulasi. In Sri Lankan Constitution, the Article 10 and 14(1)(e) says about the freedom of religion. So the Article 10 says the all people are free to believe any religion. That means you can follow any religion or not. And the Article 14(1)(e) says the people chose our religion and you can pray and teach and follow it private in public.
Okay. Are there any limits, Shihara?
Yes, if the religion hates others, or it affect the peace or the health, the government can stop it.
I heard an incident recently. I think that happened at Nallu temple. A police officer entered the temple inside with his shoes. Many people angry with him. So, why are shoes any problem?
Yes, I also know that, Tulasi. In Hindu temples, the pupils remove the shoes. The wearing the shoes, it's showing about as a disrespectful to the Hindu peoples.
Ah, okay. What does the show about religion of freedom of religion?
Yes, it shows we are respect each religion rules, and even the police officers follow that.
Okay, I understand now. So religion is a major part in our Sri Lanka. So everyone must follow any religion because that's right.
Yes, Tulasi, this is a very respect. We want respect each religion, and uh, it is our responsibility.
Okay, thank you for your explanation.
Thank you, Tulasi.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about the freedom of thought in Sri Lanka. Under Article 10 of the Constitution, every person has absolute right of freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, which means the state cannot force anyone to accept or reject anyone's belief. What do you think about that, Viveka?
Yes, Bhairavi, it's considered absolute, meaning, unlike some other rights, it can't be restricted even during emergencies. People are free to hold personal beliefs and change them anytime.
But here's the challenge. While people can think freely and expressing their belief, it can be tricky. For example, under Article 14(1)(e), it states the freedom of manifesting religion and beliefs, but it can be limited under the grounds of public security, public order, and health and morality. People fear for social backlashes, discrimination, or even legal restriction when expressing their unpopular idea. What do you think about that?
True, especially when sensitive topics like religion or political ideology are involved, people may self censor because they fear online hate speech, workplace discrimination, or even community pressure.
So, what do we do to improve these situations? One, we can educate how to about tolerance and about the diverse ideas. Another one is we can uh, improve anti-discriminatory laws and ensuring people feel safe to talk their ideas, thoughts.
Exactly, Bhairavi. Protecting freedom of thought is not just about having in the constitution. It is about creating cultural where people feel free to actually use it.
Thank you.
Hi, Amandi.
Hi, Tilukshan.
What do you think about the Sri Lankan constitution and equality concept?
Yes, Tilukshan, in our Sri Lankan constitution, Article 12 stated that everyone equal before the law and no one shall be discriminated under the grounds of race, caste, language, political opinion, place of birth, and also gender.
Yes, it is in there, but in the real practice and the law are some difference. For a small example, in the Sri Lankan parliament, 225 members, but only 12 female members. That means 5 or 6 percentage for the women. What do you think about this real situation and law?
Yes, Tilukshan, exactly the discrimination still happens in Sri Lanka in the areas of jobs, politics, and also the education. So, recent case, 2025 June, the Supreme Court held that the Buddhist nun called Bhikkhunis should called as Bhikkhunis instead of the Silmata in their identity cards. So, this reflects not only the gender equality but also the religious equality.
Yes, Amanti. I think we can make the equality by the making non-discrimination laws and the in the parliament reserving seats for the women. What do you think about?
Not only that, but also we should have awareness programs in schools and fair selection for the jobs, and also training for the public officials and strengthening our human rights commission.
Exact, Amandi. This equality concept not only just in the law, it is want to maintain real world also. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Amandi.
That's correct, Diksha.
Morning, everyone. I am Loti. I am Kamsaini. Today we are going to talk about very important topic, freedom from torture in our constitution. Yes, according to Article 11 of the 1978 Constitution of Sri Lanka, no one can be tortured or treated in cruel, inhuman, or degrading way. That means every person, rich or poor, big or small, has the right to treat it with the respect and fairness. But sadly, in real life, this is not always followed. Let's think about the video that we showed earlier. A police officer slapped a girl just because she asked a question. This is a clear violation of girl rights. And then police officers are there to protect us, not to use and fear of us. Third, there's a big problem of fear. People are scared to complain because they think nothing will happen or they will get into more trouble. So what can we do? First, the government must better training to give the better training to police officer how to treat the people and about the human rights. Second, there must be strict action against any officer who uses torture or violence. No one should be above the law. And then we should teach school students and some communities about the basic rights and regulations. And finally, there should be safe places to report abuse where victims feel protected. So, what are the practical challenges? First, many people don't know their rights. They don't know they can say no to unfair treatment. Second, some police officers, they are not know how to stay calm, how to handle the pressure, and how to treat people with the dignity. Only then we can make sure freedom from torture, not the word on the paper, but also all the people right. Thank you.
இந்த அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் சம்பந்தமா நாங்க பொதுமக்கள்கிட்ட இன்டர்வியூ நடத்திட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்ப என்னன்னு சொன்னா, இப்ப நீங்க இந்த அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் சம்பந்தமா ஏதாவது பிரச்சனையை சந்திச்சீங்களா அந்த சொசைட்டில? சொல்லுங்க.
நிறைய சந்திச்சிருக்கிறேன். வேலையில, போக்குவரத்துல, ஒவ்வொரு இடங்கள் மாறி மாறி போகும்போது ஒவ்வொரு இடங்களாலேயும் எனக்கு நிறைய உரிமைகள் மீறப்பட்டிருக்கு. என் சம்பந்தமா நான் சொல்ல வரீங்க. பஸ் ஸ்டாண்ட்லயோ பஸ்ஸுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டு இருந்தா அந்த இடங்கள்ல ஆண்களால எங்களுக்கு நிறைய டோர்ச்சர்கள் வரும். ஒரு பக்கத்தால போன் நம்பர் கேட்கறது, பின்தொடர்ந்து எங்களுக்கு மாறுறது, மற்றது என்ன சொல்றது, எங்களுக்கு கூட நாங்க வெயிட்டிங் பண்ணி இருந்தாலும் சொன்னாலும் அதை நம்பாம திருப்பி பின்தொடர்ந்து எங்களுக்கு டோர்ச்சர் கொடுப்பாங்க. வேலை செய்யறன்னு பார்க்கும்போது அங்க என்ன சொல்றது, அங்கேயும் ஆண்களால டோர்ச்சர் இருக்குது. மற்றது என்ன சொல்றது, உங்களை விட உயர்ந்த பதவியில இருந்தாலும் அவை இவங்களை என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு தொழிலாளர்கள் மாதிரி பார்க்காமல் எங்களுக்கு இந்த சில விஷயங்கள்ல மென்டல் சம்பந்தமான டோர்ச்சர் கொடுக்கறதுகள் எல்லாம் நான் நிறைய விஷயங்கள்ல சந்திச்சிருக்கிறேன். அதை எதிர்கொண்டிருக்கிறேன்.
இந்த பிரச்சனையை அரசாங்கம் எப்படி கையாளுவாங்க?
அது சம்பந்தமா என்ன சொல்றது, பெண்களும் ஆண்களும் சரி சமன் என்ற ஒரு ரீதியில அதுக்கான ஒரு அமைப்பு அமைச்சு சரியான ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, அவங்களுக்குரிய சரியான ஒரு பாதுகாப்பு அமைச்சு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ஒரு அமைப்பு இருந்தாலே நாங்கள் பாதுகாப்பாக சுதந்திரமாக நடமாடலாம். இந்த சமூகத்திலே சரி, வேலை இடங்கள்லையும் சரி, போக்குவரத்து சரி, பஸ்ல அந்த உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கும் போது சரி, நிறைய இதனால நாங்கள் இருந்துக்கலாம். அதுகளை சரியான ஒரு இதுல கண்காணிக்க வேணும். ஒரு பெண்கள் எவ்வளவு ரீதியில பாதிக்கப்படுறாங்கன்றது அதுக்குரிய ஒரு அமைப்பு அமைச்சிருந்தாலே போதும். ஓகே